Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Ledger Live to Ether wallet. So first is you have to open up your Ledger Live, and then you just have to ensure that it's updated to the latest version. And then after that, go to the settings, and then tap on About and check for updates. So in here is the setting. So you just have to check about the updates and make sure that it's the latest version. So next is to install the Ethereum application on Ledger. So you have to plug in and unlock your Ledger device, which is this one. So in the Ledger Live, go to My Ledger and then allow Ledger Live to access the device if prompted. So in the application catalog, find Ethereum and click on Install. So you have to find in the app catalog right here. You have to search for the Ethereum and then click on install, which is this one, install Ethereum application. After that is add Ethereum account in the Ledger Live. So to be able to do that, go to the accounts in the left menu, and here, go to accounts, which is this one, below the market, and then click on add account, which is the blue button or the purple one, and then just select Ethereum from the list and then click on continue. Now on your Ledger device, open the Ethereum application when prompted, and then Ledger Live will scan your Ethereum addresses, and then you just have to select the Ethereum address or addresses that you want to use. Then after that, just click on add account, which is this one, to finish. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!